Here's the app called Unlocked. Sell your files, monetize your social content. So it's pretty cool idea. Of course, it's kind of similar to like Gumroad or some other apps in this category. Unlocked Me provides you with the safest and the easiest way to sell your photos and your videos with anyone using a simple link. It's very simple to use app. Import your files to Unlocked Me, set any price, generate downloading link, send the link to the person you want to share your photo or video with. Are you a freelancer? You worked on a project? Then you just can do that. Use this app. Are you a student? You have been working all year on well-established lesson sheets. Then you can just use them for that. So yes, pretty cool app. So let's just open it up. Monetize your stories. Set up. So yep. And then you can also just share this link in your, in your stories and in your media. And then you can allow notifications. And then you don't even need to create an account. So here, just as an example, for example, I can add for example, all right, here's my selfie. I'll just add it, set a price. So, and then I can just generate link. And then to create link, I need still to sign in here. So then I just need to sign in. And then, all right, so then you need to start to receive payments, and then you need to enter your country. You need to enter your, for example, like your last and first name. You need to enter your date of birth, and then just continue. You need to be at least like 18 years old, as I understand. And then you need then to get verified, and then your link should be good to go. So, it's easy to get start going, but actually you see that then you need to go through some longer verification and profile creation process. So that's just what it is, but give it a try.